Not all cruise lines have self-service laundry facilities. Carnival, Princess, Disney, and others do. Royal Caribbean and others do not. If you're interested in this, check with your specific cruise line before you sail. When we will be using the self-service laundry facilities, this is what I bring. I have this little bag that we keep all of our laundry supplies in. It's not very big and it's pretty narrow, so it's really easy to pack. I bring clear nail polish to fix any runs in pantyhose, fabric or skin tape to fix any fabric issues, shout wipes for stains, and the rest of this stuff is pretty self-explanatory. A gallon-sized plastic baggie, laundry soap, dryer sheets, these suction cup hooks that I can put in the shower of our cruise cabin and we can hang wet swimsuits on those to dry. Most showers have some type of a clothesline, but I don't like the way that they sometimes snag my swimming suit. A sewing kit, wrinkle release spray. There are no irons allowed in your cruise cabin. There are irons in the laundry room, but it's first come, first serve. Static guard, lint roller, a laundry bag, and a laundry hamper. I use the laundry bag to transport my clean laundry back to our cruise cabin and the laundry hamper to store all our dirty laundry. In the comments, let me know what you pack. Thanks for watching.